Bajaj has now done an unbelievable job. They had just announced their first CNG bike in the market. On the 5th of July, Bajaj has recorded their first ever CNG bike after the CNG three-wheeler. This will be the world's first CNG bike that would make a mark on the Indian market. The name of the motorcycle is Freedom 125 CNG. So, how this motorcycle will change the automobile market, or how will this bike works? I mean, CNG or petrol? What will be the engine function? There's a lot of question in the mind, but I will clear all the doubts. In this video, I will make sure to clear all the doubts regarding the bike, the new bike, the Bajaj Freedom 125 CNG. Before we move to the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for more updates. You can also read my articles on www.automobileheart.in website. Now, the CNG landscape has dramatically changed. India now boasts 6,000 CNG fuel stations across 355 cities. And this number continues to grow. Bajaj hailed the Freedom 125 as a game changer. It will offer the rider freedom from petrol imports, harmful emissions, skyrocketing petrol prices, that is too much now in India, range anxiety, and the struggle to find charging stations, fuel charging stations. The Freedom 125 allows commuters to switch seamlessly between CNG and petrol at a one click, even while riding the motorcycle. Many people say that the company now giving a bomb as the CNG tank under the seat. But is it true? A small impact can activate the CNG into a big flame. So, is this bike safe? Well, for your information, this bike is tested through a lot of impact or damage. Even a 16-wheel truck has passed over it. But the CNG cylinder under the seat remains same without a single impact on the tank. So now you can have the idea that how strong the mechanism is used in this motorcycle. The company promises 50% of cost saving by reducing fuel expenses compared to petrol motorcycles. The CNG tank provides a range of over 200 km on 2 kg of CNG, while the 2-liter petrol tank offers an additional 130 km. So in a total, this motorcycle will give you around 330 km of range in single fueling. Why anyone will buy EV or any other motorcycle in the market? Consumers save around 15,000 annual on fuel bills, effectively recovering from the cost difference between the CNG bike and its petrol counterparts. The Freedom 125 features the longest seat in the category, 26% longer than the conventional 125cc motorcycles. Environmentally, the company claimed the new motorcycle reduces carbon dioxide by 26.7% compared to petrol. Alongside, 85% reduction is done by non-methane hydrocarbons and a 43% reduction in nitrogen oxides. Bajaj advocate for reducing the tax rate on the cleaner fuel vehicles from the current 28% to around 12%. But EVs in India taxed around 5%, I think. There are 7 color options you will get in this motorcycle: Caribbean blue, poetry grey, black and cyber white, ebony black or grey, racing red, cyber white and ebony red. Bajaj Freedom 125 comes in 3 variants: Freedom 125 drum, Freedom 125 drum LED and Freedom 125 disc LED. The base variant features a drum brake on both wheels, while the higher end models sports a disc brake in the front that will enhance the stopping power. An LED headlamp is offered in the drum LED and the disc LED variants, which improves nighttime visibility. Bajaj Auto will initially produce 10,000 units of the Freedom 125 monthly. It will retailing initially in Gujarat and Maharashtra. They are planning to scale up it up to 40,000 units by the financial year's end. Executive Director Rakesh Sharma mentioned that the automaker is also considering more models with Flexi CNG petrol technology if this product succeeds. The price of the motorcycle will go around 95,000 and it goes up to rupees 1.10 lakh ex-showroom. And this motorcycle will launch in a very short time. So this is the video for now. What is your opinion on this model? Please share your thought on the comment box. Until next time, be safe, ride safe.